probably one of the largest laser tag courses I've ever seen. This thing is on the top of the ship and goes in all different directions. What a cool place. Check out all these hiding places and all these cubby holes. Very cool. Don't know how big the teams are in here that play, but I'm telling you, at night, this is probably really, really cool. One of the things for sure, I'll tell you about a cruise ship, there is absolutely plenty to do for all ages. This ship obviously has a lot of things equipped for teenagers and actually young adults that just love to get inside a cool laser tag field and just go to town. This thing's like a huge maze and it just keeps going and going and going. Very cool.